Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies jacket designs model knitted with wool. Let's start the video. A crochet ladies jacket design refers to a handmade stylish garment created using crochet techniques. These jackets are versatile and can range from casual to formal styles, depending on the pattern, yarn, and stitches used. Creating a crochet ladies jacket can be a rewarding project. Here are some tips to guide you through the process and help you achieve a beautiful wool-fitting breeches. First, choose the right yarn. Seasonal yarns. Use cotton or bamboo yarn for lightweight, breathable jackets, spring or summer, and wool or acrylic for warm fall or winter. Texture. Opt for smooth yarn for intricate patterns or textured yarn for simplicity. Color choices. Neutral tones for versatility, bold colors for statement pieces, or variegated yarn for unique patterns. Select an appropriate hook size. Match the hook size to your yarn's recommendation, but adjust for the desired picture. Larger hooks create looser, chippier fabrics. Smaller hooks yield a tighter, more structured fabric. Plan the design style. Decide between open front, buttoned or zippered styles. Length. Choose between cropped, waist lengths, or long duster styles. Sleeves. Determine if you want short, three-quarter, or full-length sleeves. Use the right stitches. Simple stitches for beginners. Use basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet or half double crochet. Decorative stitches. Shell lacquer, granny scores, or textured patterns like shells, cables, or baubles for a unique touch. Create a gauze swatch. Always make a swatch to ensure your stitches match the pattern's gauge. This step ensures the jacket fits properly. Focus on the fringe. Measure yourself on the recipient for chest, arm length, and torso length. Adjust the pattern as needed. And shaping use increases or decreases for a tailored fit, especially around the waist and bust. Working sections. Crochet the back, front panels, and sleeves separately, then seam them together for structure. Alternatively, use seamless techniques like top-down or raglan construction for a smooth finish. Add details, border and edging. Add zip trims, scallops, or peacocks for a polished look. Pockets. Incorporate practical pockets for style and functionality. Embellishments, add buttons, appliques, or even embroidery to personalize your jacket. Block your jacket. Void or stem block the finished piece to relax at the spaces and ensure it holds its shape. Experiment and customize, mix and match patterns to create your own by combining stitch motifs. Use multicolored yarn and color blocking techniques for a modern look. Add rings or tassels for a boho vibe. Follow a pattern or design your own. Beginners can use free or paid patterns available online. Advanced crocheter can sketch and calculate their own design using measurements and stitch counts. Tools and materials checklist. Yarn and matching crochet hook. Use matching tape and stitch markers. Knit tapestry needle for weaving in ends. Scissors and blocking tools. Here are more advanced and detailed tips to ensure your crochet jacket turns out beautifully. Understand jacket construction. Top-down plus bottom-up. Top-down construction allows you to try the jacket as you go, making adjustments easier. Bottom-up construction provides more structure but requires careful planning. Material constructions use individual motifs like granny scarves and join them to form the jacket. Master stitch combinations. Combine simple stitches with decorative ones for visual interest, like patterns used chains or double crochet for breathable, intricate designs. Textured stitches incorporate puff, popcorn, or cable stitches for a cozy, bold look. Stripping. Alternate rows of different stitches for a textured strap effect. Play with yarn with lightweight yarn like fingering sport, ideal for delicate jackets with intricate patterns. Medium earth, chicky oats, great for versatile all-season jackets. Chunky bulky yarn, perfect for oversized, warm winter jackets. The shaping techniques, increases and decreases, and shaping at the first or bust for a tailored look. Use decreases around the shoulders for a better fit. Short rows create a curve hemline or adjust the fit around the back or bust. Seamless option for a clean look. Diagonal sleeves. Crochet from the neck down, adding increases for the sleeves as you go. Circular yoke. Start with a round yoke for a seamless, elegant design. Continuous motifs. Join granny scarves or motifs as you crochet to avoid seams. Add functional features, closures, experiment with buttons, zippers, circles or ties, collars and hooks. Add a shawl collar, hood or cowl neck for added warmth and style. Pockets include patch or unset pockets for practicality and flair. Experiment with colors, color blocking. Use solid blocks of different colors for a modern look. gradient yarn silk stripping, or ombre yarns add natural color transitions. Accent colors is constructing colors for trims, borders, or motifs. Finishing touches earthing the scalloped edge, ribbing, or picot border to frame your jacket. Blocking. Always block your jacket to even out stitches and shape the garment. Lining. Optional. Save a fabric lining for extra warmth or structure. Pay attention to detail, tension consistency. Maintain even tension to avoid distortions. Inks and shims. Weave in ends neatly and seam pieces securely. Durability. Reinforced stress bonds like buttonholes or pocket ace. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!